Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to show hidden channels on Discord. It's super quick and easy. So if you are ever join a server and notice that some channels are hidden, this is how you can reveal and view them. So let's get started. First, just open your Discord app. You can do this on your phone or desktop. It works the same way. And then make sure you are logged in to your account that's joined to server that you want to explore. And once it's open, just go ahead. And then now just choose the server where you want to show the hidden channels. And once you're inside that server, just look at the top bar where you see the server name, this one. Just tap on it, and then on here, after that just scroll down, and here you will see a bunch of options like this, and then just tap on show all channels, this one, these options that we are looking for. Just tap on it until it turns into blue button like this. And once you do that, Discord will instantly display all the channels that were hidden before. Just go back like this and see the all hidden channel or shows like this. These are usually channels that you don't have permissions to access, but with this feature you can still see their names and descriptions even if you can answer or read messages inside. It's super useful for understanding how the server is structured or what kind of the content that they have. And then if you ever want to hide them again, you can simply go back to the same menu, just type on the server title or server profile like this, and then just tap again on show all channels until it not blue again like this. So in here you can switch it on and off anytime that you want. Okay, that's it. That's how you show hidden channels on Discord in just a few taps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.